So today the pipes that we've ordered showed up. We got our 3" to 3" 45 degree, and we've got our 2" to 2.5" 90-degree bend here. Also received our aftermarket oil feed kit, which will fit up. It's a 38mm base. And today we're just going to be installing the FPR. So we've got all our fittings, we've got our RB fuel rail end here, which bolts up to this 90-degree bend here. And then we've got our two fitments on the Tomei fuel pump already. It does also come supplied with some 6AN braided feed lines as well, if you wanted to use those. The G.F.B PSI Gauge there. We'll go whack this in. Okay, so we're here in the engine bay, nice RB25 single turbo. Here we have a variety of regulators. The one we're looking for is this one, just tucked in here with two Phillips holding it in. Have some rags handy. Obviously, we've got all these electrical components here, so it might be smart to unplug the battery as well. Just go ahead and undo your battery. Turn off your alarm. It has a remote battery, clearly. Alright, so just get this all tucked in here to protect these from the petrol. We have it all tucked in. This is our fuel pressure regulator on the stock engine that we want to remove. Just tuck it away. Spray them with some CRC. I can smell petrol. You gotta push the pinch on the cable all the way back past this. It is not a nice day out here today. So we have our new piece. So this should just ideally replace the factory one. It's obviously got a lot of wiggle adjustment room. So we'll just undo this 10mm fitting here, this fuel rail, fuel line. And then what you need to do then I'm just going to undo this bracket holding this in, just so we can wiggle it around while we get everything in place. And now we're just going to attach the gauge. And there we have it, installed. So once the turbo and everything's there, we'll be able to set the pressure for this and adjust this, which will be in a different video. So just keep an eye out for the fuel pressure regulator adjustment video. Take out the Neo cover frame as well, just because it's ugly. So the bracket cover here is just held in by a couple 10mm nuts and bolts, so you just go ahead and find all your attachments. So we've got our Neo frame off, and the side piece if you want to get it off as well. You're going to need a 10mm spinner for this bit. There's two of the bolts go behind the factory manifold and heat shield. So what we're doing now is we're just removing the bolts from the heat shield over the manifold, just to see if we can get this bracket from the top Neo cover bracket off. It's unneeded and unnecessary and it just looks ugly. So make sure you have your bolts all soaked with some COC. And just go around and make sure they all come loose, no problems. Slide right off. So there's your factory heat shield. You have these two bolts that are just tucked behind the manifold, and they're the 12mm ones. So 12mm spanner, crack it, and then just slowly undo it, and that would be the 10mm one down there. Serious? It looks like you have to take off the manifold to remove this bracket, which we're going to do.
you got your other piece of the bracket out. Go ahead and just do up the manifold. So we don't want to change that yet.